Do you want to know what does Refresh Desktop or Refresh Explorer window actually do? Then you are at the right place, as here is the details. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You must have noticed that when you right-click on your Windows desktop or inside an open Explorer window, you see an option called Refresh in the context menu. The Refresh option has been there since you can remember. But have you really wondered what this option actually does? Does it refresh your Windows OS and keep it running smoothly? Does it make Windows faster? Or maybe you think it will clear your computer's memory or refresh the RAM. Actually, it is none of these. Let's check it out. What does Refresh Desktop or folder do? The desktop is nothing but a folder in the Windows operating system. It is programmed to auto-refresh when its contents change. When the contents of the folder changes, it will auto-refresh, but at times you may find that the desktop or folder does not auto-refresh. You may then need to refresh your desktop manually in the following circumstances. The desktop does not display the files or folders you just created, moved, deleted, renamed or saved on it. You need to realign your desktop icons. You find that you cannot use the desktop icons. Files that were created to the desktop by some third-party application do not appear. And similar situations where the contents of the desktop or a folder do not change as expected. In such a case, when you press F5 or right-click on your Windows desktop and select Refresh, the situation will be corrected. Manually refreshing the desktop or folder may reorder its contents as folders first, then files in the alphabetical order. Why do some people refresh desktop constantly? You may have noticed that some people just refresh their desktops frequently for the sake of refreshing it. It has become almost like a compulsive disorder to constantly refresh the desktop. You may have noticed this habit, especially among some computer engineers and technicians who are obsessed with using the refresh option almost in a state of frenzy. What is the reason for this? There is no need or reason to do this. It's just a silly habit they simply need to break. The refresh option cannot be removed from the right-click context menu or changed, as it is not a shell extension but is hard-coded in the operating system. Does refreshing desktop do anything? Although you might have thought that refreshing the desktop frequently makes your system faster, that is incorrect. F5 or refresh option helps you show the latest information visible in a specific folder, including desktop and downloads. It only works when auto-refresh fails. Otherwise, refreshing the folder or desktop doesn't do anything. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.